Today's video is kind of a combination of things. It's about July's currently page and July goals. There's also a sneak peek at some new items that we will be opening up and using in a later video. There's a bit of some fun. My girlfriend got into my planner. Stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi everyone, welcome back to Planning with J.A.M. I got caught on the phone, and while I was doing the phone, I meant to be pulling stickers and laying them aside for doing my currently page. Unfortunately, I was on the phone and not paying attention to what I was doing and actually laid them on the page. So my plan with me is now a do the pen. But I do have a quick little unboxing today. And it is from Lily Top Planner Family. And they're on Etsy. Etsy.com/shop lilytop. Yes, so these are really cute, and they're nautical and they're pink, and I thought they would be adorable with pink pirate sticker book. Where is it? Right here. So these with the pinks. And that, I think they'll be very cute together when I do that spread, which is coming up very soon. It hasn't posted yet. I haven't actually done it yet, but now that I have everything, we will be doing it very soon. So thank you to Lily Top for sending me this. You got cute little extras here. I love it. A little thank you from her. Thank you, thank you. So let's get started on filling this out because it's going to be a very short video for the currently page. Red, blue. Let's do, there's a lot of blue. There's a lot of red too, but it doesn't matter. Okay. So what I'm worried about, I'm not going to answer that, but what I am celebrating is we celebrated the 4th of July, my stepson Ryan's birthday. Planning, I don't know what I'm planning at the moment, but I am currently watching, is it House of Cards? I forgot what the actual thing is with Kevin Spacey. I've been watching that. I think it's called House of Cards. And I'm still hoping for my soulmate. I am feeling, oh, how am I feeling? That's a good question. I don't know at the moment. And the highlight of the month, well, it's still the beginning of the month, but one of the highlights of the month was my friends Jen and Tom came to visit. And we had lots of fun. Lots of fun. Now, these things, this I don't want to put on camera. That's too personal. I want to answer how I'm feeling this month, maybe later in the month. And I don't really know what I'm planning at the moment. And my gratitude, I'm not really sure yet either for that. So that I'll answer later on in the month. So this is a really quick little video, but I can tell you where everything came from. These like 4th of July stickers, they were a something I got at the dollar store, I think. I'm not really sure where they came from. I've had them a while. And then I Like to Have Cake and Eat It Too. That came from the Sassy Plans by Happy Planner. Some of these boxes came from, no, not Rainbow Journaling. I didn't use any from Rainbow Journaling, I don't think. The July came from Dated Basics by Keleva Plan. I know that the washi tape strips here, they came from Keleva Plan Rainbow Basics Volume 2. I did not end up using Happy in Action. I did not end up using Indigo. And I did not end up using Rainbow. I must have pulled some boxes out of here. I don't think, well, maybe some of the square ones. I'm really not sure. Not sure. Oh, maybe they came out of, wrong. That's where the blue boxes came out of. There and Rainbow Basics by Keleva Plan. Those two boxes came out of those two. So, thank you for watching. And I hope you enjoyed. Let me do a little, hi everyone, welcome back to Planning with J.A.M. I'm J.A.M. Today we're going to be working on July's goals. And I pulled out some stickers from the Color Story 1 and 2. And thought we could just have a little chat with me. How is everybody doing? Have you been checking things off your bucket list for the summer? I have enjoyed my time off. I really have. I want to white this out and put this right in the center. I am really struggling to get back on my 30-day challenge. Let's see, we did good, and then I just fell off and haven't really got back to it. I don't know why. I sit there and I think about it, but I don't get out of the chair and do it. Because I don't know. I don't know. This pen just doesn't work for me. Okay, now I lost the top though. I'm so silly. Okay, so what are my goals for this month? That is a good question. My goals, oh Lord, I'm talking and the video wasn't playing, wasn't recording. So recap, I don't have a lot going on. I have some things I want to make for my upcoming craft shows this winter, which I want to make some organic lip gloss, some organic body butter, and I have a birthday coming up for my stepson. I want to write a note to myself about getting motivated to finally start exercising again. It's not good. And then I don't know what to put here. I said get it done, but really get it done and to do are the same things. We'll see. Maybe as the month goes on. I'll be lucky if I get these two things done. Honestly, that's just how things are right now. I'm in a planner funk. I'm in a I don't care. It's too hot. And I'm a little bit depressed right now. So yeah, that's that's how I feel. That's where my life is. So let's add in Ryan's birthday. And I believe it's the 15th. And let's see. I don't know. I don't know what to write. Okay, so I think that kind of covers it. It's very simple. It was very quick, which seems to be how things are going lately. My spreads have been going quicker and quicker, or they're very long and I have to do a ton of editing, which makes me angry. So I do want to show you, when my girlfriend Jen was here, she decided to play in my planner, and she made a spread for me for next week. She did a lovely job. It's a little bit busy for my brain, but it's very pretty. Very, 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 very pretty. I added a, because she didn't have my, I don't think she knew where they were, but my my weekly sidebars. So I added one just so I could put in the, you know, make sure I'm saying my affirmations. Yeah, and my weekly goal is to exercise, but it's not getting done. And she leaves me little seeds, lots of love. She writes little notes all over for me to find when she leaves. It's so fun. It's so cute. I have a stockpile of them under my mat here. I don't know if you can see them. There they are. There's some of them that I have found. Smile, sweet sister. I'm writing love notes to you. So you know, you may find little love notes in various places. So I just love her. She's just a great friend. And even though we are not biologically related, she is definitely the sister that I would have chosen if I were able to. Okay, so this is next week's spread. Today is actually Friday the 12th. And I'm going to be heading to bed soon so that I can get up in the morning and go down and dog sit for my friend. The date probably isn't going to happen. I haven't talked to him in 2 days, and I kind of had reservations. Reservations? I don't know if that's the right word. I just wasn't quite sure that, so I haven't reached out to him. He hasn't reached out to me. So it's all good because I feel like maybe I just wasn't prepared yet. Okay. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much if you hit that little like button. And if you like what you saw, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified, little pop-ups. And if you hit the notification bell, you will be notified when I put out new content. So thank you so much, everyone. Bye-bye.